What's up YouTube? So back in the shed for this week's project, and I'm going to be making a arm boomy doodad thing for my camera. I think it's going to be really awesome and it should really help productivity and the flow in my shed, and hopefully no more tripod. So I'm going to try to keep these intros and outros a little bit quicker because I feel like they've been dragging on in past videos and I want to keep them fun. So let's get into it. All done now. Overall, I think it turned out great. Still a few little glitches to work out, but it works, and it hides up really nice, and it gets basically about 80% of the shed, 90%. About the only spot is my lathe, but that's okay because I'm going to build like just a little sliding one that just can go over the top just to get a couple of angles and a couple of nice shots on the lathe. But it just would be so much more work to get it right to the back, and even then it would be sort of behind me and it would just be weird, and it just wasn't worth it. So yeah, overall really happy. I think it's going to be great for the shed and means no more tripod. So if you want to hit like, that'd be sick. If you want to hit subscribe, that would be awesome. Till the next one, peace.